Hi, I've gotten the wireless charger set up, okay, with the cable attached to a removable battery pack. Okay, so now use a sample of the iPad together with the backing. So I'm going to show how we're going to attach the wireless charger receiver onto the iPad. Okay, first of all, I'll take a bit of the double-sided tape. Okay, the double-sided tape, and I'll actually paste it over here. Okay, remove the top part of it. Now we got this all over, nicely done. Now do take note, using a pencil, this is a very flimsy kind of connector, so we have to be very careful when we connect onto the iPad. So I'll simply put it in. Okay, you can hear there's a sound, so push it in, it's okay. And I'll position it like this. Okay, give it a press. Okay, now with the Isaac backer, we're simply going to put it up from the top down. Okay, because this is already fully paced correctly, I'll simply just put it from the top down. I'll put it press from the left hand side first, so I'll just push it in, and then I will actually press on the right side, push it in. Okay, again, just slowly from the top, slowly press everything within. Okay, make sure that everything is done up properly. All the sides are actually done correctly. Everything fits in snugly. Okay, so you can see from here, nicely done up. Okay, press the power button on the top. Okay, iPad is still working. Okay, now I'll on the battery pack. Okay, you can see that right, it's blue in color. We have to put the position of the wireless receiver somewhere around here, so I have to put it carefully like this. Okay, so you can see from here. Okay, let me show you that it's charging. I'll just off this. Okay, now I on it one more time. Okay, so you can see that right, the position, we need to put it carefully. Yep, it's charged. Now even though, okay, yep, you can see from here is let me just run power one more time. Yep, even though it's not charging, it shows that it's not charging, but when I on it one more time, you can see that it's charged. Okay, so this device work.